One of the most common questions I get asked is, why do people buy low-ticket offers first before they're willing to invest in high-ticket products or services? It's a great question, and today we're going to break it down and understand the psychology behind this. The truth is, most people don't jump straight into buying high-ticket offers without first going through your value ladder. They need to experience the value of your brand at a lower price point before they're willing to make a bigger investment. In this video, we're going to dive into why people typically buy low-ticket offers first, and how you can use this to your advantage to move people up your ladder toward your high-ticket offers. Why low-ticket offers are the gateway to high-ticket sales. The psychology behind buying low-ticket offers before high-ticket products is rooted in the concept of risk reversal and trust building. When someone buys a lower-priced offer, they are essentially testing the waters. They're trying to determine if you, your products, and your brand are worth the investment. Low-ticket offers help ease people into your world by providing immediate value with little risk. Once they experience the results and the value of your low-ticket offers, they become more likely to say yes to your high-ticket offers because they have already seen the benefits and trusted your expertise. Here's why this works. 1. They need proof of value. Customers want to be sure they're getting value before making a bigger commitment. A low-ticket offer gives them a taste of what you provide and shows them that your products or services can actually solve their problems. 2. Risk reversal. People often hesitate when buying a high-ticket offer because they're afraid it won't deliver the promised results. A low-ticket offer minimizes that risk. If they invest in a $27 product, they're taking minimal financial risk compared to a $1,000 coaching package. Once they see results from the low-ticket product, they're much more likely to invest in the high-ticket one. 3. Building trust. Gradually. Trust is one of the most important factors in any purchase decision, especially when it comes to higher-priced items. Low-ticket offers allow you to build trust gradually. By the time they reach your high-ticket offer, your audience has already experienced your value and expertise, and they feel more comfortable making a larger investment. The role of low-ticket offers in your value ladder. Low-ticket offers are the first step in your value ladder, and they play a vital role in moving your audience toward more significant investments. Here's how low-ticket offers set the stage for high-ticket sales. 1. They build trust and relationship. When someone buys your low-ticket offer, they're investing in your expertise and the results you promise. By over-delivering value with these initial offers, you're setting the stage for your customers to become loyal fans who trust you enough to invest in your higher-ticket products down the road. For example, after purchasing a $27 ebook, your audience starts to see the results of your tips and strategies. This builds trust, and they're more likely to consider investing in your $97 mini course or $297 coaching program. 2. They act as a qualifier for high-ticket offers. Low-ticket offers are often used as a qualifier. They help you assess whether someone is serious about their transformation and if they're ready for a larger investment. If someone buys your low-ticket offer and implements the content, you know they're committed to their journey, which makes them more likely to invest in your mid or high-ticket products. For example, someone who buys your $47 mini course and applies the lessons might be ready for your $297 coaching session because they've seen that your content works and are eager for more personalized guidance. 3. They introduce your content and expertise. Low-ticket offers are the perfect opportunity to introduce your content and showcase your expertise. As your audience experiences the value you provide at a low cost, they start to see the full picture of what you can offer. This makes them more likely to invest in your higher-ticket products because they already know you can deliver results. For example, a $97 course on Instagram marketing is a great introduction to your methods. After they see how effective your strategies are, they'll be eager to work with you on a higher-level coaching program to get even more personal support. How to use low-ticket offers to move people up your ladder. Now that you understand why people tend to buy low-ticket offers first, let's talk about how you can move people through your ladder naturally and lead them to your high-ticket offers without being pushy. 1. Deliver incredible value with your low-ticket offers. The key to moving people up your value ladder is to make sure that your low-ticket offers provide real, tangible results. When your audience feels like they've gotten more value than what they paid for, they'll be much more likely to invest in your next level offers. Make sure your low-ticket offer solves a specific problem and provides immediate value. This sets the tone for your audience to trust you and want more. Offer bonuses or add-ons that increase the perceived value of your entry-level offers. 2. Use email sequences to nurture and guide. Once someone buys your low-ticket offer, use automated email sequences to keep them engaged and guide them to the next step. These emails should nurture them by offering more tips, insights, and resources that complement the product they purchased. Introduce your mid-ticket or high-ticket offers at the right time, explaining how they will help your audience achieve a bigger transformation. 3. Make the next step clear. At every stage of your value ladder, make sure the next step is clear and easy to follow. Don't assume your audience knows what to do next. Tell them. For example, after they purchase your $27 ebook, you could send them an email inviting them to join your $97 mini course for a more in-depth learning experience. If they've bought a $97 course, offer them a $297 coaching session to help them implement what they've learned. The easier you make it for people to move up the ladder, the more likely they are to take the next step. Final tip. Low-ticket offers are essential for building trust, establishing relationships, and converting leads into loyal customers. They allow your audience to test the waters with you and see the real value you provide before committing to a larger investment. By ensuring your entry-level offers are high value and actionable, you'll naturally guide your customers to your mid-ticket and high-ticket offers over time. Remember, your value ladder isn't about forcing people into high-ticket purchases. It's about leading them on a journey where they get increasing levels of value at every step, so they're eager to invest in your more premium offers.